The Mariana Trench is incredibly deep. To put it in perspective, most ocean life resides above 660 feet, while nuclear submarines navigate around 850 feet beneath the surface. Whales are rarely spotted below about 8,200 feet, and the Titanic, famously known for Jack and Rose's fictional love story, rests at 12,467 feet below sea level. According to National Geographic, even if you were to place Mount Everest at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be around 8,000 feet underwater. Located at the southern end of the Mariana Trench is the Challenger Deep, plunging 36,070 feet. This makes it the farthest point from the water's surface and the deepest part of the trench. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure exceeds 1,000 atmospheres, which is enough to crush all but the most robust submersibles. It would kill an unprotected human instantly. The temperature is between 1 and 4 degrees C. Within this abyss, darkness reigns, pressure crushes, and temperatures drop to near freezing, creating an environment seemingly devoid of life. Yet, the Mariana Trench harbors a surprising array of creatures, uniquely adapted to its extreme conditions. In this harsh realm, where food is scarce and survival demands resilience, only the most adaptable organisms thrive, shaping a mysterious and eerie ecosystem beneath the ocean's surface. The deep-sea dragonfish, a remarkable creature found in the depths of the Mariana Trench, is an extraordinary example of adaptation to extreme environments. Living in the perpetually dark, high-pressure conditions of the trench, these fish have evolved unique characteristics that allow them to thrive where few other organisms can survive. One of the most striking features of the deep-sea dragonfish is its bioluminescence. Specialized light-producing organs called photophores cover its body, allowing it to produce its own light to attract prey or communicate with other members of its species in the darkness of the deep ocean. Additionally, the deep-sea dragonfish possesses an elongated, slender body and a large mouth filled with sharp teeth, perfectly suited for capturing elusive prey in the depths. Its jaws are hinged to allow for a wide gape, enabling it to consume prey much larger than its own size. There are some pretty weird-looking octopuses out there, but let me tell you about one that really takes the cake: the Dumbo octopus. This little guy looks like something straight out of a cartoon. Instead of the typical sleek, streamlined shape you might expect from an octopus, the Dumbo octopus has these big, floppy ear-like fins that make it look like it's flying through the water. The Dumbo octopus stands out among its cephalopod cousins, with its distinctive appearance characterized by large, ear-like fins. This creature is a fascinating denizen of the deep, particularly known for its habitat in the Mariana Trench. Unlike its counterparts in shallower waters, the Dumbo octopus has evolved to navigate the extreme conditions found in the trench, where crushing pressure and perpetual darkness reign. Yet, despite these formidable challenges, the Dumbo octopus thrives, displaying remarkable adaptability to its environment. When it comes to food, the Dumbo octopus is no picky eater. It preys on small crustaceans, mollusks, and other deep-sea delicacies found near the ocean floor. With its keen senses and stealthy movements, it's a master of hunting in the dark. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Dumbo octopus is its reproductive behavior. Little is known about how these elusive creatures reproduce, but scientists believe they lay clusters of eggs attached to rocks or other underwater structures, ensuring the survival of their species. The vampire squid, a creature with a name that sounds like it came straight out of a horror movie. But despite its ominous moniker, the vampire squid is actually a fascinating and mysterious denizen of the deep sea, including the Mariana Trench. Unlike its namesake, the vampire squid doesn't actually drink blood or feast on unsuspecting victims. Instead, it's a small, deep-sea cephalopod with a unique set of adaptations that allow it to thrive in the dark depths of the ocean. The vampire squid gets its name from its appearance rather than its diet. With its dark red skin, cloak-like webbing between its tentacles, and glowing eyes, the vampire squid certainly looks the part of a creature from the underworld. But don't let its spooky appearance fool you. The vampire squid is actually quite harmless, feeding primarily on marine snow and small particles of organic matter that drift down from the surface. It uses its long, retractable filaments to capture food particles and bring them to its mouth, where it can digest them with its beak-like jaws. Despite its gentle nature, The vampire squid is a master of survival in the deep sea. It has a unique ability to invert its body and form a protective cloak around itself when threatened, earning it the nickname, the Ninja of the Deep. This defense mechanism helps it evade predators and navigate the dark depths with ease. So while the vampire squid may sound like something out of a nightmare, it's actually just another fascinating inhabitant of the mysterious world beneath the waves. This machine-equipped animals have tested fine and withstood the pressure of the deep down underwater, demonstrating nature's remarkable adaptability to extreme environments. Their success not only highlights the ingenuity of human engineering, but also underscores the remarkable adaptability of marine life.